Welcome to SigniFlow Academy, where our ninjas show you how to use your system to its full potential. So you'd like to learn more about editing your initials in Profile. Step 1 is going to the correct page, meaning Profile. Step 2 is opening the Edit Initials tab. Step 3 is setting up or editing your initials. You have 3 options here: uploading an image file, drawing your initials, or selecting a predefined font. First, option 1, uploading an image file of your initials. Please note that the only file types we accept are JPEG, bitmap, and PNG. Our maximum file size is 1 MB. Click on the box to bring up your files or drag and drop your image into the box. You will see your uploaded initials in the red box. The second option is to draw your initials. You will be able to draw your initials with your mouse, on a touch screen, or on a laptop trackpad. You can also use a mobile phone QR. Simply scan the code given. When done, save your initials. Your initials should be in the red box. And finally, option 3 is to select an initial font. If you do not want to upload or draw your initials, simply select one from the options provided in the panel. Ensure the initials you selected appears in the red box. Now let's see how our new initials will appear. I will initial a simple document to show the results of the changes we have made. Step 4 is creating and completing a quick workflow. To learn more about workflows and signing, please visit our Create a Simple Workflow module in our basic user training course. Our lessons on workflows and signing are extensive. Now, when I add my initials to the workflow I have created, our changes will reflect. If there is anything you'd like to change, you can return to Edit Initials. That is how you edit your initials in Profile. Thank you for watching SigniFlow Academy. Request a demo or keep watching SigniFlow Academy to learn more.